Guys, today we're back with another video and we're doing Legends of Speed. Yeah. So let's do that. And gotta load in Legends of Speed. It should be Speed of Legends, but it doesn't matter. Alright. Oh, I'm a rookie. Excuse me? That's whatever. Oh, I'm slow. No, I don't want to join the race. Orb. Oh. Tell me if you want me to, make this as an episode or something. But let's do this. We gotta get fast. Oh, wait, you can trade? Oh, gotta do one rebirth first. Ooh, that's 150 steps. I'm gonna need that. Come on. I got it. Dang it, just a little short. Gotta get faster. Come on, we got this. Yay! Level 3. Great. Exciting. Oh! Dang it, just so short. I gotta get it next time. Boom. Alright, I think I can get it. If I can't, then what the? Sorry. Just a little out of control. Do I want to join? Do I, guys? No, I don't think we're ready for that. No. I can barely make it for that. Can you tell me something? Why does this look... Oh, never mind. I'm good. Why does that look higher than that if that is bigger than that? What? Oh, never mind. I think they're both the same size. Oh, sorry. Calculation's a little wrong. Oh my god. Comment down below if I need to hold shift so I can go faster. I don't think I can. I don't think I need to. Also, comment down below what other type of games should I do? And maybe I'll pick on you. Oh my god, that's 500 steps. Heck yeah. Oh, I leveled up by walking around and collecting gems. That's great. Now, if I can get this right, then I could get a lot. Nope. Whatever. Yeah. Get that. Ooh, I'm almost at 1,000. Yeah. And I'm still slow. Let me open the... How much... Excuse me? 400,390... I can't. But I can do this, I think. Nope. Too short. Just too short. Oh, does my jumping get higher? Why is... This is not Jump Simulator. What the... Wow, really? You have to do that. You really have to get fast. Oh. I actually am getting fast. Oh, never mind. Nope. Guys, this is gonna take a while. How do I not do that? Why is it not working? I want to get this. Never mind. Can't get that. What? Hey, whatever. So close, so close, so close. Move. Move. Oh my god, that was high. You know what? I'll join. Hey boys, I'm gonna go fast now. Oh, you guys are actually good. Oh god. Look, ready? Look at everyone. Really? Oh. That guy is crazy fast. And here I am. In the back. Going as slow as a turtle. At least I'm not going that slow. Now that would be a bummer. Yeah, I'll wait for the guy. No, I won't. I won't. I want to get this. Wait. I can do it. If I can't, I'm risking my whole entire life. Oh, I can't even do it. And yes, and that's how I become a slowpoke. I really... Oh, there you go. At least I'm not that bad at life. I can see that some things not. Okay. 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 I see what I have to do. I do not see what I have to do. You know what? For a second, I thought I was just gonna... Actually, I thought this was gonna be fun. And I didn't have to do this, but I can't. Okay. Ooh. Guys, should I? It's not that bad, right? It's not that bad. Oh, I really need more Robux. Yay! And it still doesn't make any difference. Whatever. Oh, I can literally jump higher. I can jump higher than you. I should reach this, right? No, I can't. But I can jump it. Yeah, let me just really, let me just really, speed it. My shift is jammed. Yeah, it's jamming. There. We're good. Probably because I'm pressing it down and I don't need to. I don't know. I never know. I don't know anything. I'm a serial killer. What? I gotta get jump. Dang it. Really, I can jump higher. That is a bummer. Can I find a pet? Oh my god, can I not get this? There. Pets. Oh, I don't have any. Wow. So, yellow. Let's see how much that is. Oh god, that's a lot. Just gonna collect these bad boys. Come on! There we go. Alright. If this is boring, I'm sorry. Okay? I really am. Racing on desert. Want to join? No. I'm slow as heck. Trust me. You do not want to see me. But bro, I like this music. Alright. Oh. Hey, what's up, dude? How high does he jump? This looks closer. Nope. Looks closer, isn't closer. Ooh, a little closer, a little closer. And no. There we go. I just had to get it 400. 4,000. Dang it. Alright. Can I jump this? No, I can't jump it, but I can. Boom. No. Really? I can't. You don't know who I am? I'm the Fast and Furious. Sorry. Sorry. I'm just crazy. Okay? Crazy. I said it. I said it. Okay? I said it. Oh, God. What? Oh, you know what? Alright. This must be boring. I'm sorry. After this race, I'll quit, okay? I'll do something different. Okay? But, before I leave, you better smash and hit the like button. If you don't, I can't tell you. And great. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Yoo-hoo!